Hi, Craft Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And today I'm here with another Friends Across the Miles junk journal entry. So, we're going to dig into this. I like the way she has the back of the envelope. Let me see. I have it open. Let's see what's inside of it. So we have her beautiful back. Ooh, look. The word Utah. Oh, look at this, how pretty. That can go on something. Then we have a piece of lace. Then we have little pictures and figurines. This is going to be a nice page for her. And she has this little ATC card here. These are, that is cute. Then we have this napkin. Okay, and we have a map. So this is going to be for the junk journal page for her, which is going to be a nice page. And we have a little note here. Let me see. Cool. Thank you for the prayers, Miss Becky. Yeah, it'll take a while. So, again, this is all of her stuff for her page here. Very, very pretty. Thank you so much for sending this to me. And I can't wait for the page to be made. Process videos coming. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Thank you all for, I greatly appreciate you all. Love and light to all. Please be careful, be kind, be blessed, keep crafting, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on the budget. Bye-bye. Oops, I forgot the cute little butterfly and the tea bag quote.